Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from American Trucks, and today I'm here with the Extang eMax Tonno soft tri-fold tonneau cover fitting your 2015 to 2018 F150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Now this specific cover that we're installing is made for a 6.5 foot bed, however we do offer it for a 5.5 foot bed. This is for the F150 owners that are looking for an affordable and easy way to keep their bed protected and free from the elements. This is a great addition for those of you that are looking for some simple coverage and not really looking for maximum security. Its tri-fold design allows you to open it up panel by panel, and it actually flips all the way up to the front 90 degrees and is secured by prop rods. Now this cover is made from a durable heavy-duty aircraft grade aluminum frame for some structure, and it's wrapped in a durable weather-resistant vinyl fabric that's going to stay looking good for years to come without fading. This comes as a complete kit ready to install, and it is an easy bolt on, so there's no drilling required. This is going to be one of your most affordable options on the site as far as these covers go, at just around $450. Now with that being said, let's hop into our install. Tools used for this installation: a tape measure, 3/16 Allen key, 1/2 inch wrench. So we're going to begin this installation in the bed of the truck, and we're going to start with our passenger side rail. What we're going to do is we're going to measure out from the back of this bed a 1/2 inch and then mount a clamp on the front and the rear. So to make sure that this rail is flat with our bed edge and that we have our prop rod facing towards the back of the truck. Once we do that, we can loosen this clamp up and install our first one on the rear. So while we're getting that clamp on, you want to make sure that that clamp is inserted all the way up into there and that the teeth on both the clamp and the bed rail mash up. Once we have that, we'll go ahead and tighten it down with a 1/2 inch socket. So then we're going to go back to the rear, and we're going to install our next clamp just below this footman loop here. Once we get that on, we're going to make sure it's all the way up in there and that our teeth are seated properly, and then we'll tighten it up with a 1/2 inch wrench. So we're going to do the same thing for the other side. When you're measuring this, you want to make sure that both sides are as even as possible to each other. And we'll go to the other side of our rail and get that clamp on as well. We'll make it even with the edge of our bed, and we can tighten it up. So at this point in time, we're ready to set our tonneau cover onto our bed. I'm going to have someone help pick up the other side. We're going to carry this out, lay it over, and then we'll unfold the whole thing. So after you lay this on, you want to make sure that this small flap is going to face the rear window. Then we're just going to unbuckle these and fold this whole thing out so we can get it situated. Next, we're going to carefully fold this up so we don't shift it in any way. And then we're going to install our 90-degree clamps. So next we're going to go up here to the front of our bed where it meets the window. We're going to install these slide locking clamps. So you're going to insert these like this, and then you twist them quarter turn. They're going to lock in place, and that allows you to slide it back and forth. And we're going to pull this down, and we're going to get this edge underneath this rounded edge of our bed rail. So once we have that in place, we're going to go ahead and do the other side. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Give it a quarter turn, lock it in place, pull down on the back of your cover, slide it in place, and then get that to seat under that rail edge. Once you have both those in place, we're going to tighten them up with a 1/2 inch wrench. So at this point in time, we're going to crawl back underneath the cover. We're going to attach those yellow straps you see under there to the footman loops on the rails that we installed, and then we're going to adjust our slam latches. So we're going to use the 3/16 Allen key to loosen up these bolts on this slam latch, adjust it properly, and then tighten it down. We want the latch to fully engage into the rail. Gonna do the same thing for the other side, loosening up all 4 of those bolts. So the next step, we're gonna unfold this all the way down to our tailgate, and then we'll install our spring clamps. So you're just going to pull these latches down from that rail, and then we're going to slide these all the way over to the end, pull them all the way down, and then just going to hook underneath of our bed edge. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Pull that down. All right, now you can shut your tailgate. Now, one of the nice things about this system is you can actually flip this up 90 degrees and attach these built-in prop rods. After you do that, you just tighten up these straps, everything will stay in place for you. When you want to release these, you just press on this little lever and they'll come right off. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We'll just tighten up these straps, and that'll keep this whole thing in place. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at AmericanTrucks.com.